Yo, what's up? Sharoy back at you guys again with another video today, and today's video is not going to be a live cop video, it's not going to be a pickup video, it's not going to be a shoe review, it's going to be me eating Oreos on camera for you guys. So let's get into it. Before we go any further into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, thumbs up this video, and comment on if you were able to get these Oreos or not. They sold out almost instantly on the Supreme website. They sold out in 8 seconds and I was shook. I did not get a pack on the original drop. I got these on the restock that took place on Monday. I was just on the site hoping that the relief box logo dropped, and next thing you know, I see Oreos restock, so I was like, you know what, might as well go for it. These are reselling for $30 a pack in Canada right now. That's pretty much $10 an Oreo. 3 Oreos in a pack, that's insane. And I'm gonna sit down and eat $30 worth of Oreos for you guys. Since there's 3 Oreos, it's only fair that I eat it 3 different ways. Before I tear this packaging to shreds, it's only fair that I give you guys a close-up of it. As you guys can see, we got a red Oreo in the back, Oreo branding across, and it's pretty much like a box logo sticker or a generic Supreme box logo. You got the red all around packaging and Supreme in the back. And for you health freaks out there, here are the calories and all the nutritional facts associated with this Oreo. If you are reading this, then trust me, you've probably never eaten an Oreo before because they're not healthy for you at all. And yeah, now that we're done looking at all the boring stuff, let's rip this open and start eating them. Alright, here it goes. Honestly, I'm super nervous because I bought 4 packets in total and I only plan to eat 1 of them. So hopefully I get this right. I only have 1 take. And yeah, I don't know why I'm super nervous. Anyways, let's open this up. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of the Oreos themselves. This is insane. Alright, so as you guys can see here, the first one completely crooked. The cream is like falling out the sides. These came all the way from the States, so I did not know what condition they would be in. I didn't think they would hold their shape. Smells like a regular Oreo. I think this is the only cool thing about this Oreo is that there's a box logo imprinted onto the Oreo itself. It is nothing but a generic Oreo. Like, there's nothing special about this. It doesn't smell like it's red velvet. It doesn't smell like it's a special flavor. It's just a red Oreo. And honestly, if you found a tinsel for this, you could probably make this at home. So that's pretty much it. I think someone already did that on YouTube, so you could probably follow that or try to recreate that for yourself if you didn't get these. Alright, so the first way we're gonna eat this Oreo is pretty much the basic standard way, and no milk, no nothing, just straight up take a bite out of the Oreo. I never thought in my entire life it would come to this where I'd be sitting in front of a camera eating food and like share that with the rest of the world. So here we are. It tastes like a basic Oreo. There's nothing to it. I don't even think I taste the chocolatey flavor that regular. It's a vanilla Oreo. Oh man, I just ate $30. I do not know what to say. Anyways, generic Oreo. That's the first one. You're gonna need some milk for the next one for sure. Alright, so for Oreo number 2, we're gonna dunk this one in milk. Let me get my milk all set up for you guys. Shout out to all you guys that are lactose intolerant like me, because, you know, it actually sucks. But just for you guys, I'm gonna use a clear glass so you guys can see. I don't even know. I've never actually sat back and drank a plain glass of milk before, but there's a first time for everything, I guess. Alright, so we got our milk here. We got our Oreo here. Let me face the box logo side to you guys because I don't know who's zooming in and looking at that. Let me give you guys some close up, like maybe some even like ASMR type action over here. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna dunk the Oreo in now. Sorry, my hand's blocking it, but okay, so the Oreo has just been dunked into the milk. As you guys can see, I don't know why I am repeatedly dunking it, but I am, just for the milk to absorb, or at least some of the red to come into the milk. The milk is slowly turning red on top and the Oreo is dunked. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that little ASMR segment there. And here we go, one milk dunked Oreo, and I do not like that. I have literally never done that before. I've never dunked milk and cookies before. Like, growing up lactose intolerant, I didn't know I was lactose intolerant, so let's just say it was not a fun time. Alright, so now that I have my little milk mustache over here, let's get into the third and final way that we're gonna eat this Oreo cookie. Alright, so I know a lot of people do this, and I actually have never done this before because I just find it so pointless and so silly. But you know what? Let me just share it with you guys. So a lot of people like to twist the Oreo apart, lick the center, and then eat it. A lot of you guys out there probably do this and think it's normal. I just eat the cookie. Like, who has time to separate everything not me. So we're just gonna do that now. Let's see if I'm even successful without breaking this cookie. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so you twist it, you lick it. That's a mouthful of filling. Oh my god, that's so sweet. Being on quarantine, there's literally no sugar left in my house, so this is like the first dessert I've had in so long, and just a mouthful of icing. Oh my god, terrible. All right, now we have the two ends over here. Alright guys, and that was the video of me eating and reviewing Supreme Oreos for you guys. Overall rating, they're not good at all. Besides the branding on it, there's nothing special about this Oreo. It's probably the most plain tasting Oreo I've ever had. If there was a flavor to this, it would be plain, because there's no taste to this. Literally icing and a cookie. The cookie has no flavor. If it was red velvet or something, that would have been dope. It would have been nice to have something that was tasty, but I got a generic Oreo with Supreme branding, and there you go guys, 3 different Oreos, eaten 3 different ways. I did want to deep fry it, but you know, only got 3 Oreos, so I'm gonna do the 3 basic ways. As you guys can see, they're all done, all consumed. If you didn't believe me eating them, I don't know how. Someone's probably gonna be typing out there being like, oh, you didn't eat this is all fake, you probably just reselling them after. Well, they're in here now, so I don't think I can resell them. Besides the packaging, like I said, there's nothing special about these Oreos, so you did not miss out at all. This is pretty much like the Travis Scott Reese's Puffs, like it's generic except for the packaging. So if you guys want, eat your Oreos, don't save them, or put them in the freezer, make them last forever. I don't know. Don't stress if you didn't get it, trust me, it wasn't that special. Alright, thank you to all of you guys that made it to the end of this video and watched me eat Oreos basically on camera for you guys. I had a lot of fun doing this. It was probably the silliest video I've recorded in a while, but I had so much fun just eating Oreos on the camera for you guys. Hopefully I'll get to do more videos like this in the future. Honestly, while I'm on quarantine right now, it is a lot of fun just doing random things and trying to stay proactive out there, trying to stay busy, and you guys should be doing the same out there. Stay healthy, keep on top of your fitness goals. You know, enjoy food like this time to time, but at the end of the day, stay safe out there, consistently wash your hands, remember to self-isolate and keep distance if you are feeling sick or anything like that, and overall, just have fun. I know this is a crazy time in the world right now. I don't want this to turn into a PSA, but like I say, at the end of every video, I just want you guys to stay safe out there, stay healthy, and we'll get through this together, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you thought of the video, if you tried the Oreos for yourself. Do you like Oreos? Do you hate Oreos? And how do you eat Oreos? Because honestly, I just put it in my mouth and don't think twice about it. And that is it for this video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.